Hey guys, this is Sunyan from Club On. I was getting so much comment to unbox and review VR box, so here I am. Before starting the video, like, share and hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel Club On. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. This is Isuzu Monster Virtual Reality Glasses. This product was available at Amazon. This Monster VR has 360 videos turn, 3D videos and VR supported games. This box has a nice attractive look. This VR was available at 3200, but on Amazon.in it was offered at 2300. So I don't know why this was. You can check it out. Now starting to unbox, we have a black color box and inside this we have our main product. So let's begin. Opening this box, we first of all we get a big thank you card from Isuzu VR Zone. It says that VR is one active buyer and it contains the helpline number and questions and all. At the back of this card, it contains all Isuzu VR and we have the Monster VR here. We have a QR code and this QR code is very important afterward when we will install the mobile. So we will keep this card aside. Here we have Isuzu Monster VR user's guide. So I recommend before starting with VR you should go through this user guide. It contains and here we have the cleaning cloth. This cleaning cloth is for the lens. It was of good quality. I think we can use it. In this user guide we have how to install VR apps and important notes. So it is important to go through this user guide. Now here we have our main product. So let's take out. And so this is our Isuzu Monster VR and inside here we have its remote. This Isuzu remote is special for Monster VR only, and here we have user guide for the Isuzu remote. So one should go through this because this is very necessary how to use this remote. Many people comments that they do not know how to use or their remote is not working. So you should go through this user guide. Keeping this remote aside. Now this is our main piece. This is the Isuzu VR. This part is for keeping the phone. This part is quite spacious so that you can put every inches phone, that is from 6.5 to 7.4 inches phone. Here is quite spacious, and here we have this special feature so that if we are using the box for a longer time we can allow the air to pass through it. At the top we have these three wheels. These three wheels has their specific functions, like these two wheels are for the adjusting the focus of the lens. So like here, and the middle one is to adjust the space between the two eyes. This is like this. At the bottom we have this now speed and a button which is to shoot in the game. This is a eye piece, and here there are two lenses where we have to tag remove before use, and this thing is very soft so that we do not get any pressure on our eye. This is the set. These straps are good and they are of high quality. They are of leather and it will hold the VR box at our head. Here, this design I don't know, but it looks like the Iron Man head, but there's no such specification on the box. But this symbolizes the monster by which the name Monster VR is. At the back of this head, it has foam, and here also it has foam so that our head do not get any pressure. I will show how to install your phone in this VR box. So first of all, we should have this Iruzu VR Zone app in our phone, and here there is a scan button. So when we will put in this scan, it will redirect us to the Play Store for the official Cardboard app by Google. I have already installed it, so this is here. After installing the Cardboard app, this will be the first thing we will get. Here we have the switch user. By default it is the default viewer, but when we will scan a QR code, now when we will open this switch user, it will be the default viewer, and when we will scan a monster code, it will pair with Monster VR view. Now we are paired with this. Now there are different options like Cardboard Demo and 3D Video Channel. So I am moving with Cardboard Demo. Let's have this. And here we have the space to attach the headphones if we want. So when we will close it, there will be no distractions for it. Now let's start the experience. It is having a very good experience. It has sun at the top, and down here the water is 360 turn, nice, and it has a very good experience. Yeah, it has a very good experience using this VR, and before using this VR one should adjust the focal of the lenses, because I am using a spectacle, so I was supposed to adjust the focal. If anybody wears a spectacle, they can adjust the focus and they can use this. There is no need of other glasses to use this VR. I personally recommend that this VR has very good VR experience. So if anybody wants to buy a better VR experience in an affordable price, then they can definitely try this VR out. The links are in the description box. You can check it out. Now I end this video. Write in the description box what next item you want to unbox. Thank you for watching our video.